What's up, YouTube? Did you miss me? I'm back, and I know it's been a while. I just really haven't had much luck with getting any shoes. I really only like to bring you things that I think are interesting, so not every purchase I make is worthy of a video. But I thought this one would be a pretty interesting one, and also there's only one way I'll get better, and that's by continuing to put out these videos. So yeah, thanks for stopping by. So what we got here, maybe a little unusual box for some of you. Team Adidas again, probably overall my favorite. And what we got here is the Response Trail in collaboration with Kith that came out about a month ago now. So quick story on this shoe is it dropped about a month ago. It sold out. I struck out on it, and I was on Reddit and I came across someone that posted that they had restocked these like a few days later. Jumped on there quickly, found my size, and we were good to go. So the box is huge to begin with. Definitely the biggest box that I have in my collection. I don't know why exactly, but it has like this kind of useless part here. They could have just made the box smaller, but hey, no complaints really. So I have already taken a look at these. Basically comes with some extra laces. They are like a rope style lace, kind of like a, I think it's called like faded rose or something like that, and then just like your standard navy. But with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look at them. This is probably my favorite shoe I've picked up in a while. Probably a lot of people won't agree with that, but I love it. So here it is. Basically the colorway, if you're familiar with Ronnie and what he does with Kith, kind of like this pink, salmon, and navy blue, kind of light blue colorway is one thing that you see in a lot of different collaborations he does. So just a few things off the top is with this shoe, it's got a different kind of like one of the trail sole. So it is all white. I think that's what turned off a lot of people about this, but I like it because it is very rugged. You can definitely see there that you got a lot of tread on there. So this is definitely an outdoor shoe. But again, with the nicer materials on it, you may not want to take it outside, but that's what it's made for. So you can definitely do so if you please. Now, of course, what I love Adidas for, the boost technology. So I don't believe it has full boost throughout the shoe, but it definitely has quite a bit in the heel. As you can see, it does peek out here on the bottom, so it's a pretty good amount of boost there. Definitely not as squishy as an Ultra Boost. I have tried these on, but it is very, very comfortable. And then also in the forefoot here, you do have some boost as well. I don't know how much exactly, but I have tried these on, and they are very, very comfortable. They kind of have like this neoprene type sock-like fit to them. And basically have like these kind of more durable, kind of like what's on a seat buckle in a way. And this kind of makes up the lacing system. So you got the pink and the blue on the outside of the shoe, and then on the inside mirrored again, so with the pink and the blue. You got the navy here, and this was a part of the EEA collection. So as you see here, you got the mountain logo with the EEA, the Element Exploration Agency. It's got a very nice light pink suede on the toe here. If I rub it, you can kind of see the strokes on there. Pretty nice quality, definitely good for Adidas, but if you're used to maybe like New Balance or you like Diadora, it's not as good quality as what most of those have, but still very nice, especially on the shoe that you still have the comfort of boost on. It's got this mesh here in this like navy color, and then I like the laces that come on it. It's that rope with the pink and the blue. Sizing on this one, they fit big. I'm typically a 10.5. I would say that's my true to size, and that's what I go with most of my shoes, other than the NMD R1 PKs. I go a half size down on those. So I went a half size down on these as recommended, but I honestly feel I could have gone possibly a full size down. Again, definitely recommend at least the half size down. Full size down could work out, but you might want to try that on if you can. I know it's kind of tough with like the resale market, but yeah. So kind of has like this little, going back to the shoe here. So this kind of neoprene sock all around, and I mean it's very comfortable, but it definitely has a baggy fit. Nothing too special like 3M around it or anything like that. Just a nice suede. The colorway is probably what interests me more than anything. And if I didn't mention, it has the suede back here, and you might definitely, yeah, you can definitely see the strokes on that. And then on the inside, you got a nice, there was a t-shirt that actually came with that type of logo on there with that kind of colorway, or actually the shorts and the, I think it was a fleece shorts and a fleece top. Very, very, very nice. Yeah, nothing too special here, but something a little bit different from your standard, Ultra Boost or NMDs, or Yeezys. But I wouldn't call myself an outdoorsman or anything, but I do like going outdoors occasionally, and this is a nice shoe that, it's functional where you could use it for, style, or you can use it, and with the extra tread, not be slipping around or not wearing out your traction too quickly. So I love it. There's a navy colorway as well that came out about a year before this one dropped. Hopefully we'll be copying that one sometime in the future. Prices shot up a little bit once this one dropped, but right now I think you can find these pretty much for retail or even maybe below retail for certain sizes. The retail price was $180 with tax, or with shipping like $190. So this might be one of my favorite shoes. I hope I can keep this clean though. Might have to spray some of that Jason Marks repellent on here, and just to ensure that they keep looking nice and fresh. But I honestly might even try to double up on this. Just something about this shoe to me just really sticks out. But all right, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll throw a few more shots of this photo from different angles. And if you have any questions about these, always reach out to me on the comments. I try to respond as quickly as possible. So yeah, overall, great shoe. Kith Response Trail in the agency colorway, pink, a little bit of salmon, light blue, navy, white continental. So don't get it twisted, still got that continental on the bottom. Boost, what we all love here. I haven't really seen too many videos of this shoe, of this colorway at least, yeah, so I threw it up here. And no 3M, nothing too crazy, but pretty decent suede. And overall, very comfortable. Can't really rock it too much in the summer, I feel, so I'll hold on to these for the winter time, fall months. All right, thank you again for tuning in, and yeah, take a look at the photos now.
Soul number 338.